The topic is buffer solution. A solution which resists change in the pH on dilution or with the addition of small amount of acid or alkali is called a buffer solution. Buffer solutions of known pH can be prepared from the knowledge of pKa of the acid or pKb of base and by controlling the ratio of the salt and acid or salt and base. A mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate acts as an acidic buffer, maintaining the pH around 4.75. Thus, to prepare an acidic buffer, we use a weak acid and its salt formed with a strong base. The weak acid ionizes in water by the given equation where A- is the conjugate base of the weak acid. Then, the equilibrium constant of the weak acid Ka can be given by the following equation. Ka is equal to concentration of H3O plus multiplied by concentration of A minus divided by concentration of the weak acid Ha. On a rearrangement, we can write concentration of H3O plus is equal to Ka multiplied by concentration of weak acid Ha divided by the concentration of the conjugate base A minus. Then, taking logarithm on both sides, we finally get pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha. Thus, in general, pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of the conjugate base divided by concentration of the weak acid. This equation is called Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. In the above equation, if the concentration of the conjugate base is equal to the concentration of the weak acid, then pH will be equal to pKa because value of log 1 is 0. Thus, the molar concentration of the acid and the base being same, the pH of the buffer solution will be equal to the pKa of the acid solution. So, for preparing the buffer solution of the required pH, we select the acid whose pKa is close to the required pH. Similarly, for preparing a basic buffer, the equation is given as pH is equal to pKb plus log of concentration of the conjugate acid divided by the concentration of the weak base. An example of basic buffer is a mixture of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride which maintains the pH around 9.25. Here, ammonium hydroxide is the weak base and ammonium chloride is its salt in its strong acid.